Assalamu alaikum Ali. In this video, I'll just be covering some basic concepts that are crucial in fluid mechanics and you need to pay attention to. I'll try to minimize this video to 5 minutes. So let's start. Specific gravity of a substance. Specific gravity is the ratio of the density of a substance to the density of water at 40 Celsius, meaning density of a substance to the ratio it's a ratio of density of a substance to the density of water at 40 Celsius. It also equals to the specific weight of a substance divided by the specific weight of water at 40 Celsius. Okay? Now, density. What does density equals? It equals mass over volume. The units are kg per meter cubed. Specific weight is weight divided by volume, which is Newton. The unit of weight is Newton over meter cubed. Now the difference between density and specific weight is basically the difference between mass and weight. So to understand the difference between mass and weight, let's use an example of a falling rock. The mass of that falling rock is 1 kg, meaning the measure of that rock on the scale, the quantity measure of that rock on a scale is 1 kg. That falling rock is 1 kg. But the weight of that falling rock is basically a force, which is weight equals to a mass, that 1 kg, times the gravity, 9.81 newtons per kg. So when the units will cancel, kg is kg, the weight will be 9.81 newtons. So that's the difference between newtons, between weight and mass. And that's the difference between density and specific weight. Why I told you these three equations, three very important equations, is because when you're solving for the pressure in a problem like this one, let's say find pressure at A, we went through this in the first video. Sometimes when you want to find P1, sometimes you're given the density, and sometimes you're giving the specific weight, and sometimes you're given SG. So you need to know all three equations to solve that. So for example, P1 here is 0, but let's say for P2, you can solve it based on the givens, which is density of the substance times G times H, which is also, it can also be solved by specific weight of the substance times H. Basically, what I'm saying is specific weight of a substance equals the density of that substance times H. If you try to look at their units, we said specific weight has units of newtons per meter cubed. Newtons per meter cubed, that's the unit of specific weight, equals density has units of kg per meter cubed times gravity, which is 9.81 newtons per kg. Kg and kg will cancel. You have here units of newtons per meter cubed. The units are very, very, very important in fluid mechanics. You need to make sure that they're always matching. So yeah, basically the main point of this video is SG, specific gravity, is a ratio between the density of the substance to the density of water at 40 Celsius. It also equals the specific weight of a substance divided by specific weight of volume, specific weight of water. And that's the equation for the density, that's the equation for specific weight. As I said before, he might give you either one. You're not always going to use this formula. Sometimes you need to use this formula And if you don't know it, you'll be stuck. All the best. If you have any questions, just let me know. Assalamu alaikum.